Hi guys, once again you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your coleslaw salad, the most easier and faster a salad you can ever think of, but super delicious, amazing, so yummy, well presentable, with a few recipe. Guys, make yourself comfortable and let's do this together. I present to you the first recipe required. I'm using this half coleslaw. Depends on the size or the quantity you desire to see. So on this I need 2 carrots, and also I need the mayonnaise or mayonnaise. So this one is the blueberry. In the market there are different types of mayonnaise. Guys, go for this when you are doing coleslaw. And this one is a white pepper. Okay, so there are some that is more whiter than this, but it will be written white pepper on it. So the first thing now, or the next thing I'm going to be doing, guys, I'll clean this carrot, peel it, make sure it's neat, use a grater later to grate it. Okay, just keep watching, it will amaze you. Guys, I really want to appreciate every of my whole subscriber, the new one, the one that is yet to come, for being a part of this family. Without you guys, I can do nothing here. May God bless you all for being a part. Please, feel free, if you have not yet subscribed to this humble family, do so. Please, what are you still waiting for? And help me to share this video. Let's move on. You see what I'm doing, guys? In this coleslaw, I will take off the first back. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this coleslaw as little as possible. For you to see the beauty of a coleslaw, the slicing goes a long way. But most times, people find it difficult. They can give you any shape that they are able to slice. But nevertheless, guys, if you are not able to slice it just the way you are seeing now, can you see how tiny it looks like? But anyhow, you are able to slice it, you are still going to enjoy it. But if you can slice it to be tiny like this, it's more better, more presentable, well looking. So once I am done, guys, when you are slicing it, don't be in a hurry. Just take your time. Make sure that your knife is sharp. But in case you are not able to slice it to be very tiny, just like what you are seeing now, guys, just use your knife to chop it down a little bit. So because now that I am done, I'm going to transfer it into this breakable plate. Okay. So the next thing, I will use this grater. I'll grate it with the big part of it. I will grate it. Once I am done, I'm going to be adding this white pepper, just little drops on it. I will stir thoroughly. Once I am done with that, guys, I'm going to be adding this mayonnaise. So I'm using this 250 grams. This is 250, and I'm going to be using everything because it's not really too much. It's just average for the portion of what I am doing. And there is a bigger size also, but I don't really want excess, or the one that I can still keep aside. So our coleslaw is ready, guys. This coleslaw, guys, is well appreciated in any kinds of occasion, any ceremony. People love it. You can serve it with your rice, with your jollof rice, with your fried rice, with a piece of meat, with moi, a slice of bread. Is very enjoyable. Go ahead, give it a try. Please, if you like this video and you have not yet subscribed to this humble family, don't waste time. Do so now. Help me to share the video. See you soon again on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.